Juggy! Juggy! Are you drinking the sewage water? Sewage? How do you say that? Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Hey bud. Nope, you're not reaching for my phone. This is Juggy. I forgot his original name. We're outside. He's a good boy. Right, bud? He scratched me pretty good on my leg. Because he's an excited pretty boy. Look, when I let go. Okay. Down. No. Okay. You need to calm down for once, man. Ah, you fucker. Again with the scratches? Same him and his scratches. Right, bud? Right, bud? Right, bud? He has long ass claws. Okay. It's a big boy. It's a big boy. It's a slobbering boy. Look at my arm. You may not see it, but you can sort of see it. Freaking scars on me because of the dog. Right? Right? I want to give him a nickname. Look at this fire. I think that was a bad idea putting that over there. Okay, check it down. You will not burn over here. As fuck off. There we go. What are you looking at me for? Rawr. It's a big boy. My favorite big boy. Right, bud? Huh? You're a big boy? Look at that, he gave me his paw. I've been chosen. Paw, give me your paw. No, never mind. He just wants love. He just wants love. He just wants love. Hey, bud? You just want love? You just want love? You just want love? Try to take a picture of him. It's hard, right? Ow. Here's a good boy.